recently Xiaomi has launched this Mi dual driver headphones, and it was kind of a silent launch. I just saw a YouTube video, like a launch video kind of, and I was quite interested in a headphone because my Mi Earphones Basic, which I have been using from like more than 1 year now, has like kind of broken. So here I am with this box packaging of this Mi dual driver headphones, and this is how the packaging looks like. On the top left we have the Xiaomi typical logo right there, and it says Mi dual driver in-ear headphones, and it says high dynamic bass and stuff, and tangle-free braided cable, magnetic earbuds, and there is music control or like volume rockers and the mic. So this is how the box packaging looks like. To the left we have the name of the product again, and to the right again we have the name, and this is how the back side of the packaging looks like. So let's unbox this package and see how is the headphone actually. Let me cut the seal open. Here we get this white paper kind of packaging. Then inside this plastic wrap there is the headphone itself, and I'll put this aside for the time being and see what else is like inside the box. Okay, so we get the total of like 3 pair of headphones. One is included in the headphone and 2 are there, like large and the small ones I guess. So I'll just put it over here and we'll see some paperwork, user manual over here. You can read it if you want, but I don't actually think anybody would need it for a 3.5mm headphone, and nothing else is in the packaging. So yeah, let me put these things aside. Now let me just open the headphones, and I ordered the blue color, and yeah, looks quite good I would say. You also get a plastic kind of wrap on top of this one. So yeah, so first let me show you the cable itself. Well, the cable, first impressions I would say, feels quite sturdy, and it is of course the braided one if you're noticing from close. And this part does not have a braid, of course. This is just like simple rubber wire, and it is sticking to each other as you can see with the magnets. The magnets, I would say, first impressions, they are like pretty powerful, and they are sticking to place pretty much as you can see. Now this is the volume rocker. This is how it looks like, and let's peel the plastic off from this thing. Okay, so there are like 2 plastic parts here which we have to peel off, and we are done. And yeah, the top one is the volume plus, bottom one should be the minus, and this is gonna be your like play, pause or Google Assistant button. And this joint I would say is still weird, which is kind of designed to break or something as far as I see it. I would say the previous headphones, all the Xiaomi headphones I had, has been broken from this part only. So yeah, I don't know like for how much it can withstand the damage, but yeah, we will see. To the back it has some kind of carbon fiber look I would say. One is like bumped out as you can see. I guess this is the left earphone, yeah, so this is the left one, which has a bump kind of outside facing, and this one goes inside. So yeah, it locks pretty much in place. And the ear tip has a different kind of look. It has some dots inside it. And this is how the headphone jack looks like. Well, it has this 90-degree kind of angle, and I would say it's gonna be pretty sturdy, and it also has this like gold plated kind of thing. Now let me connect the headphones to my smartphone and let's do a test. Okay, so here are my first impressions after listening to Contact by Daft Punk for some time with this like hi-fi audio direct present on the Redmi K20 Pro. I would say the headphones do sound way better. It has a lot of nifty little like things which are like pretty hard to hear with normal headphones. These are like pretty great pair of earphones for 800 rupees, but do wait for the full review of these headphones on this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel down there if you have not yet. This is Tito from KD and Tech signing off for today, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.